Let's take a look at Bruin's AI Analyst and agentic features to help you with your sales analytics. In this example here, we have a demo energy drink company, and we have added some data about limited edition items, and we have prompted the agent in the AI dashboard builder to create a summary dashboard for us. With a single prompt, it was able to analyze our data and create this dashboard. You can use this agent to help you further analyze your data. For example, you can filter and drill down into your data and ask it follow-up questions. The agent will create a context layer that lives inside a repo where all of the context, the metadata, the column level and table level descriptions exist. This helps the agent understand your business, and you can ask questions that are more exploratory, and it's able to analyze the data and give recommendations. You can also tag specific charts and ask follow-up questions. In this example here, I tagged that chart and asked why was there a seemingly stagnant or slump in sales. It was able to initially understand that the slump was mainly due to this being asked before the end of the month. However, there were other indications that sales might be declining in that specific region. You can schedule an agent directly from the dashboard to send the dashboard as a report to your preferred communication channel. You can also configure customized agents to run specific tasks on a schedule. In this example here, I created an agent that will run every day and analyze average daily sales for each region and send an alert to Slack in case there is a drop more than 4%. In the last run, it was able to detect that there was a 19% drop in this specific item in the North American region. You can always check and review what the agent did by looking at the logs and seeing what queries and steps it followed. You can connect your agent directly to your preferred communication channel like Teams, Slack, WhatsApp, or any other communication channel. In this example, I have the agent connected to Slack, and I asked it to create me a PDF report summarizing which items should be considered for discontinuation in the European market. It analyzed the data, it created the PDF report for me, and as always, you can audit and review the steps that the agent took to create this report. Since the agent has direct access to your data warehouse and to the Git repo as well, I was able to ask it to save this as a new view inside the gold layer, which it did, and it created a PR that added that specific view to our data pipeline. This way, not only can you analyze the data directly with the agent, you can also create new tables and views inside your data warehouse.